Unlocking Math, the Cube Root Simplified. Hello, language enthusiasts and math-curious minds. Today, we're diving into a fascinating math concept that often puzzles English learners, the cube root. If you've ever wondered what this term means or how it's used in English and math, stick around, and we'll explore it together. The phrase, cube root, refers to the number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, its cube, gives the original number. For instance, the cube root of 27 is 3 because 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. It's like asking, what number, when cubed, gives me this number? When you talk about cube roots in English, you often use the phrase, the cube root of, followed by the number. For example, you would say, the cube root of 64 is 4. Because 4 cubed, 4 by 4 by 4, equals 64. Let's put this into context with some sentences. Can you calculate the cube root of 125 for the math assignment? The architecture of the building is based on the cube root of its volume. Finding the cube root of a number can be challenging without a calculator. Cube roots are not just a mathematical exercise, they have practical applications too. Engineers, architects, and scientists use cube roots in designing buildings, understanding materials, and solving real-world problems. It helps to think of it as a way to reverse the process of cubing a number. And that's a wrap on cube roots. Hopefully, this video has demystified what cube roots are and how you can talk about them in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find that mathematical concepts in English aren't so daunting after all. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.